A Mediterranean diet is a type of diet which includes eating fruits, vegetables, beans and nuts, etc. Foods included in Mediterranean diet are tomatoes, spinach, cauliflower, carrots, cucumbers, bananas, oranges and grapes, strawberries, quinoa, oats, chickpeas with sunflower and pumpkin seeds, etc. Here's how Mediterranean diet aids in weight loss. Fruits and vegetables in the Mediterranean diet are having high amount of fiber, which helps feel fuller and make you consume less calories. Choices like fish, poultry and legumes in Mediterranean diet provide lean protein, which favors muscle growth and helps in weight loss. From sources like olive oil and nuts, type of healthy fats can be obtained, which may control hunger and promote satiety. The Mediterranean diet keeps you stay avoided from processed foods and added sugars, which are mostly high-calorie items having low amount of nutrients. So that's how Mediterranean diet can be a good option for weight loss efforts.